This is a tri-color. We combine with 3 colors. So this is the powder. This is the chili. And on the side, we have the peach color. The peach color. Yes.
Full of life.
Yes. So for our gold hardware, it's 24 karat gold plated on the Palladium. And then we have our newest medallion charm, which is very pretty. It goes everything with your outfit.
Yeah. This one is made well.
Everything made well. We only sell the merchandise that is made well.
Yeah. I know. Can you show the inside?
Of course. So you open like this, you press down, well use of the handle.
Wow.
So inside we have, you can hold a lot.
Wow.
2 phones.
2 phones.
And then
Bigger
sunglasses,
than this,
lip gloss.
Is this a bigger or same
Of
size?
course it's bigger. So
Bigger.
the Gabrielle BB is smaller.
This is
the
the
Réjane 23. It's a special size for the Réjane.
Oh, okay. Because there's a BB,
Now that we have the Nano, the BB, the 23, the PM, and the MN.
Oh, a lot. 5.
5 different
And
sizes.
this is the 23.
This is the 23, very special.
Oh my god, I want to try it on. Okay. How much is this one?
We can check for you.
Yeah, oh my gosh, beautiful. But the scratch is,
They say if it scratches easy, this one just kind of.
It is the patina.
you
of
just
the
like
bag.
It just
buff it up.
It just goes with it.
And that's the beauty.
What kind of leather?
We call it natural calf.
Yeah.
Natural calf.
It's very nice.
How much is that?
We can check for you.
It is very classic. The color.
So this one
Is
is
it also gold?
6,200.
Wow.
Is that also gold plating?
So this one we only make it in Palladium, but if you want any special order, we can always request it.
Wow, it's so beautiful. So beautiful.
The whole world, they don't have very
How many more left? Because last time I came here with Mimi, she said there.
Fall in love. This one is burgundy.
Medoc.
Maddock.
MEDOC, that's how they call it.
So in the light, this is not purple. This is more like burgundy red.
Yeah,
I thought it was purple.
Yeah, it looks more purple under the warm light.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is gold.
Yeah, go hard.
So pretty.
The velvet sky of dreams.